Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing 3-5 sticky note pads in coordinating colors. This gives contrast and structure. Once selected, tier a note and fold it twice into a compact square, then crease one edge to create petal shape. Make 3 layers per petal for body and slight stiffness. This prevents limp petals later. As you fold, align sticky edges to the inner center so petals hold without glue. Keep scissors close to trim rounded tips. Make 6 petals per flower to keep proportions balanced. Once you have 6 petals, stagger them into a circular layout and secure the center with a single glue dot. Press firmly so layers bond. Then, press the floral wire into the glued center and wrap the base tightly with floral tape or a 1/2 cm strip of sticky note to lock wire in place. This gives a smooth transition and hides glue. Make sure petals are slightly cupped outward. If they sit flat, pinch bases to produce depth. Add a small contrasting sticky square in the middle for a pollen pop. You finish by grouping 6 to 12 prepared stems and adjusting heights so blooms create a dome, shorter in front, taller in back. Once positioned, wrap the stems together using ribbon or floral tape from top to bottom to secure the bouquet. This conceals wire and creates a comfortable handle. If petals look uneven, trim edges with scissors and recup each petal. Troubleshooting tip: if petals are limp, add 1 extra layer per petal or a tiny dab of glue inside the base to stiffen and maintain shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.